Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on Emerson Street in Salford to show you this new listing we've got coming up. It is a stylish 2-bedroom terrace property, just a short walk from Buile Hill Park. As we head inside, we go into a welcoming entrance hallway. It's lovely tiled flooring, which leads on your left to this well-presented lounge. Flowing on through the spacious dining room, again really nicely presented. Heads to the rear, it's a modern fitted kitchen which provides access to a nice low maintenance courtyard garden. The property benefits from being within easy access of transport links throughout Manchester, including through to Salford Quays, Media City and Manchester City Centre. So with an easy access of amenities as well, and is within walking distance of Salford Royal Hospital. On the first floor, straight on, we have this large double bedroom for the main bedroom. And we head on through to the second bedroom, which is a decent size. And then finally, we have a 3-piece bathroom. Properties in this area are incredibly popular. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.